The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Alright, my people, big up and respect Dancehall Skilla day here again. Big up, big up, big up. My people, I don't know what go on with Jamaica. I don't know what go on in Jamaica, but I just pure bad news that come from left, right, and center. See? From the whole cult issue to the whole kidnapping of young girls thing and all them things there. So me I say, now sometime ago me see a video that shows a man drinking blood from the head of a slaughtered goat in viewers and subscribers. Yeah, me see a video that shows a man drinking blood from a slaughtered goat's head. And that video went viral on social media, viewers and subscribers. Now I got information that that man had been shot and killed by gunmen. You hear me, some people? Alright, so according to some information that I got, it is said that the man goes by the name of Kevin Grant. It is said that he's 26 years old. It is said that he was shot and killed in an home invasion in an area called Gaza in Portland Road. That's in Discovery Bay, St. Anne, Jamaica. And it is said that the incident happened on the 31st of October, the year 2021. Now, my people, bear with me, because on a real, me just give you the information them according to how I get them, and according to how I understand them, and according to some things that I read in a news article as well. You understand? So listen to this now, my people. See? It is said that the person who goes by the name of Kevin Grant also goes by the alias as Big Dog or Biggs. See? And it is said that he was shot and killed at a party that was being held somewhere within the parish of St. Anne, that's within the country of Jamaica. Now, according to some more things that I read in the same news article, it is said that the police reported that sometime at about 10:45 p.m. on the 31st of October, the year 2021, the 26-year-old man who goes by the name of Grant was at a premises in an area called Gaza in Portland Road in Discovery Bay in the parish of St. Anne, that's within the country of Jamaica, when gunmen forced their way inside his house and opened fire. It is said that he was shot several times, and it is said that those gunmen then made their escape. It is said that the police was summoned, and upon arrival, Grant was discovered suffering from gunshot wounds. It is said that he was rushed to a hospital where he was pronounced dead. Now, another part of the news article said that Grant is from a place that is known as Richmond Hill. That's within the parish of St. James. That's within the country that is known as Jamaica. However, a part of the news article said that those gunmen forced their way inside his house, and it is said that the incident where he lost his life happened within the parish that is known as St. Anne, that's within the country that is known as Jamaica. So when I read those things in the news article that I saw, viewers and subscribers, I wondered if that man come from two different places within the country of Jamaica. See? So me just give you the information according to how me get them number people. See? And I did not get any confirmed information as to what is the motive of the killing, viewers and subscribers. No, I did not. Now, you see, when it comes on to that video that shows the man doing the whole blood thing from the slaughtered goat's head, you know, because I don't really want to mention the whole thing too graphic over and over, you see me? But when it comes on to that video, if you understand what I'm talking about, viewers and subscribers, you see? When I saw that video on social media, I said to myself, why would someone do something like that? Now, I'm going to read some of the comments that I made on social media about the video, where I saw the video posted, viewers and subscribers, and some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons are wondering why the person do something like that, just like myself. And some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that maybe the person do that believing that it is some form of protection, And me also see some comments that say something about scamming. I can't quite remember every single thing. As I say, so now that this incident happened, viewers and subscribers, I'm wondering what some persons are going to say. So may I say, what some persons are going to say about this incident, you see? It's really sad to hear about something like this on a real. Yeah, because in no way, me no wish bad for no one. No matter what, viewers and subscribers, you understand? So it's really sad to hear about this thing, you see me I say. But anyways, yes, I'm not gonna left with my people. Big up and respect to each and every one. And if you're new to my channel, do not be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself.